Hi, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Tisha's 2-Minute Tips. I'm Tisha Dodge. I'm a lawyer and a social entrepreneur. And when we work together, we make this world a better place. This week, we're honoring Veterans Day with an important announcement about veterans who want to start a new business. I thought we'd start with a quote from a Lieutenant Colonel, Abdul Rashid Mohammed, who was a chaplain in the U.S. Armed Forces and was deployed to Iraq. He said, "I didn't realize that some of the things I would be called to do would be as difficult as they were." And maybe that's mercy from God for us to not know certain things in advance. But I realized I could, in fact, do hard things. And it wasn't until that exact moment that I realized that maybe it's a good thing that life is uncertain. If we knew everything in advance, then everything would be planned and predetermined. We'd have no free will. The other thing that made me think was that when life is uncertain, we can still do hard things. That's why we have faith in yourself that you can do this, and faith that we are intended to be more. Because in this day and age, it takes faith and more to start a business. So our big announcement today is that the state of Texas is waiving filing fees and franchise taxes to qualified veteran-owned businesses if you start a business effective January 1st, 2022. So that means if you've been thinking about starting an LLC, a series LLC, or corporation, or social enterprise, now may be your time. And for those of you who don't know about social enterprises, it's a hybrid legal structure that allows you to make a profit with also a stated social impact, providing more access to funding your business. If you're a veteran and you've been thinking about starting your own business, now may be your time. Texas also allows you to file now and have your business effective January 1st, 2022. We already have veterans who are starting the process now to get a jump start on the new year. And here's another way you can jumpstart your new year. Every time you sell a product or service, technically, that's a legal contract. That means every business needs a good business contract. That's why we're offering our first ever flash sale in honor of Veterans Day. We're having a 48-hour flash sale where we're offering Ready and Resilient for $48. It's our live online webinar to get you ready with a good contract and resilient when times get tough. Life is uncertain, and maybe it was intended to be that way. So a good contract can make you ready and resilient for life's uncertainties, because a good contract is more than just legal terms. It's actually a set of business strategies. And most lawyers don't think of a contract as a business strategy, but I do. So let me show you what's been successful for me and my clients with respect to having a strong business contract. And that's what Ready and Resilient is designed to do. And so join us for Ready and Resilient on November 18th and take advantage of our 48-hour flash sale today. I hope you found this thought-provoking and helpful. I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.